I'm Dr. Jim Huttner, inventor of the Bionix OtoClear Ear Irrigation Tip. Here's how to assemble and use the Aquabot Ear Irrigation System with the OtoClear tip. First, attach the wand by screwing it onto the threaded nipple. Attach an OtoClear tip by twisting it onto the lure fitting on the wand. Now, fill the water reservoir of the Aquabot with warm water that's near body temperature. Water that's too hot or too cold might make your patient dizzy. Screw on the Aquabot lid and tighten securely. Pressurize the unit by pulling up and down on the pump handle until you feel resistance, but no more than 6 times. Have the patient hold the ear basin below their ear and insert the OtoClear tip fully into the patient's ear canal. Push down on the inner ring of the Aquabot here to release the water once the OtoClear tip is securely in the patient's ear canal. Thank you for choosing Bionix OtoClear Aquabot tips and system.